What is going on, my YouTube friends? Guys, you know I've been out here in the garage working on this Fairmont. I taped everything off, getting ready to start priming all that stuff and everything. Here soon, I did all that yesterday, today. I mounted both the slicks onto the wheels, put the wheels onto the car, on the rear end, and I started fooling with that, so I started messing with it. So I did some adjustments. And actually, the wheels, tires look actually pretty good on this. They're a little tight. They're a little tight, but I think I can make it work. Let's go around here and see what's going on. So with the wheel and tire on there, I got the jack on there. Got a little pressure on the rear end because I know that rear end's gonna sway a little bit when it comes down. So I kind of jacked, put some weight on it, and the rear end sits right in there nice and, I mean, really nice. So this side right here looks pretty good. Like I said, it's a little tight, but I think I can make it work without cutting anything or whatever. But, you know, time will tell on that. But like I says, let me sit down here and get this and see what's going on. Sorry about the bright light. But as you can see, I just got it just sitting on the jack right now. But once I jack this jack up, that rear end, it goes right up in there nice. So I got it on the center. So I don't have a lot of weight on it. I just got a little weight on it. So as you can see right in here, I mean, I got a lot more room now since I jacked it up a little bit. So it's, that wheel looks good on that car, man. It looks good on that car. It really does. Am I really going to go with these wheels? I don't know. But this is about the size wheel and tire that I'm going to go with, you know. And like I says, it's going to be tight. But after I roll up the inner fender well there, the lip, I'll roll that, and she'll fit in there nicely. I really think so. So it's kind of close to the back on the inner fender there. But I think I can massage that a little bit, make it look good. And it's going to work. It's going to work. I got faith in it. Let me unplug that light. Come to this side first. So yeah, this is it right here. So I got that. So as you can see, I got plenty of room in here now. I mean, that's it. And I just got a little bit of weight on the rear end. So we're solid, man. We're solid. And I was going to plug that light, but shoot, I figured I'd show you this side. And let's crawl underneath here and see what all I got going on. Alrighty then. So here we go. That's the tire. You see we got plenty of room between the spring and the tire here. Right here we got plenty of room, you know, so it's nice. Right here is what I'm going to do. I'm going to massage this a little bit so that way, you know, we get plenty of room right there. So I'll massage that a little bit without hurting anything. So it's going to be nice. I can do that on both sides. So I got all my Team Z adjustments. Everything should be really close. Like I says, we'll know better once we get it down on the ground and see what's going on. So I got the rear end, I got everything up there, so everything's looking really good, really good. I'm really excited. Yes, I am. So we're gonna get some things done here. And what's really cool is because, like I said, I got all the original brake lines are still on the car and everything, so we're good. We're good with that. And then I'm gonna tie the frame, tie it here, and then to the frame up there. But, you know, I'm not going through the floor because, like I says, I don't want to cut these pretty floorboards up because look how pretty they are, huh? Yeah, buddy. So, yep. So we're getting places. Like I says, I got both wheels on. I got them snugged up real good with the tires on it. 28, 10, 50, 15s. And I think they're going to work. You know. So this right here, I just need to massage that a little bit, bring this way a little bit, and all the way up through here. So this is going to be nice. It's going to work real good. I may have to touch it up a little bit, but I think we're going to be good. Oh, yeah. You have to admit that is one sexy rear end. Let me bring it right back. Look at here, huh? We know who that guy is, don't we? So there's the rear end from behind. Boy, that is one sexy rear end, ain't it? Can I get a yeah, buddy? Uh-huh. So, yeah, so the wheels and everything are going to look good under there, man. You see that? That's a nice profile for that tire and everything. It's going to look good. Yes, it is. Oh, yeah, baby. So I'm all excited. So let me get this turned around and we'll do a little bit more talking. And yeah. Funny how I figured I'd show you what's going on in the garage here tonight. I got this rear end real close. I mean, we're really close. Once I get this thing set on the ground, we'll really know where we're at and be no problem. We'll get the angle, the pinion angle and everything done. And oh yeah, she's gonna look, oh, look at that. Ain't that pretty? I'm telling you. Woo wee. And I got the front all taped off. I just got to finish cleaning it up and throw some primer and paint on that. And we're gonna get going. Oh yes, we are. So let me get out of here, get in there and go visit our friend Car Mob. He's on live right now, so we got to get in there and spend some time with him on his live. And guys, you guys are awesome, man. I appreciate each and every one of you. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. Yeah, I'm just a little wore out, man. We're working on this car all day long, trying to get that rear end. Some of this stuff gets pretty aggravating. Yeah, buddy. You guys have a great rest of your day.